Hey everyone, welcome back to another Toni Tuesday. I'm Toni, and in today's episode, we're going to be cooking. I am going to be cooking with my sister Alexa, and we're making lemon soup, or in Greek, it's called avrolemano. Oh my God. How do you say it? Avrolemano. Okay, we're going to get our ingredients, and we will show you guys how to make it with us. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post again. Happy 2020. Here.
And don't forget to check out the next
Toni Tuesday. Let's get right on into the video. Like so. Step 1 is pull back your hair. Every time I cook food, I get hair in the food. We're gonna put it into a ponytail. Check. Moving on.
First, we are going to use 1 onion. We will need 2 lemons, chicken broth, eggs.
How many eggs?
I'm not sure yet.
Okay.
We will find out when we do it. We will need some rice. We are going to use this enriched rice. Make sure it is not minute rice or it will come out bad. We're going to need this food processor and this can of chicken noodle soup.
What kind of chicken noodle soup is that?
Hannaford brand.
No, it's condensed.
Condensed. It's all going to go in this pot. Stick of butter and salt and pepper to taste. I'm cutting an onion. Toni is going to dice it up in small little pieces.
Chicho wants a treat.
Okay, well, he's gonna have to wait. Oh, the onion is going to give us a lot of flavor. And we will saute it with a stick of butter.
I will now begin dicing the onion. In case anyone's wondering, I am no pro dicer. And I might cry. Ah! Okay. Don't cut your finger. Okay. Awesome. Ah! Ow! Ah! Dicing onions wicked burns your eyes, so just be aware of that.
And Tora, we are heating our stick of butter in the pot. Now that the butter is melted, we are going to add the onion. The onion is very happy to be in with the butter.
Add the entire onion in with the entire stick of butter.
Okay, so now we will look at the onion in the butter. It's not golden brown because I add so much butter and it's more or less like slime. But
yeah.
It smells very good. And now we are going to add chicken broth. I'm not sure how much yet. I'm going to check on this Greek cookbook.
Oh yeah, we're kind of following this whole cookbook.
Greek cooking, a Mediterranean feast.
Now we add 4 cups of chicken broth. As you can tell, I'm the filmer and Lexa is the cooker.
Toni, you can cook.
Chicho, stop it! Hi! Oh, okay.
We're going to add some water too. Because we want a lot of soup.
That's 4. The heck with it.
Clearly we're not following any instructions.
5. That's what we are doing. Okay. Forget measurements.
Okay, so we used 3 pounds. We used 48 ounces of chicken broth.
Okay.
Because we needed it to be extra brothy.
I have peel from the onion because Toni did not cut well.
Sorry. She's adding water to the soup.
I'm going to add 4 cups of water.
Chicho, are you thirsty? Water? He wants water.
4 cups of water and 6 cups of chicken broth.
Go ahead. He's not thirsty.
Reduce it a little bit for a moment. We're going to take 1 cup the heck with it. 2 cups.
Only 2 cups?
Yeah, the rice is gonna get big. And if we add too much, it's going to take out all the liquid and it's not gonna be tasty.
Ah, my hand keeps getting in the corner of this. So now I am adding the chicken noodle soup into the processor. Ew. What else is going in this?
Nothing, just chicken noodle soup, but we're processing it because it's going to add a nice thickness to the soup, along with some flavor. Alpha lemon can generally be made with chicken, but we are going to just add some chicken noodle soup to give some flavor. So the point here is just going to be to make it nice and mush. Great.
Okay, now we pour this into there.
Yeah, but let's let it cook for a couple minutes first.
Now it's being covered because the rice just got in there and it's at a light simmer.
I'm not sure what I'm doing.
I'm using 2 eggs and I'm separating the yolk from the white. Whatever. 2 of them. So we're keeping the white.
Yep.
Okay, that's what I'm doing.
By saving the egg white, the soup will become a little more frothy. But with the egg yolk in the soup, it would be a little more thick, a little more hearty. But we're going to add the chicken soup, so that will add a little bit of the hardness for us.
All right. Oh my God, that was perfect, huh?
Yeah, probably 2, 3.
Okay, we're doing 3 eggs apparently.
Yeah, don't do 1 more. Because we made a lot.
Okay, number 3.
I'm doing pretty solid rice here. See that?
Your big chunky fingers are gonna get in the soup.
That was awesome.
The soup's been cooking about 5 minutes. Get the rice ready to start it to cook. And now we're going to add in the condensed chicken soup. We'll just pour it right in there. It's gonna add a lot of thickness, a lot of taste. Yum, yum, yummy, yummy.
It's absolutely disgusting.
Add it right in there.
And now while the soup is cooking, I've decided to make a face mask. And what I'm doing is using the 3 extra egg yolks that we had. And instead of throwing them away, I'm utilizing them for something else. So what I'm doing is using 3 egg yolks and honey. And sometimes what I do is add sugar as well as like an exfoliating face mask. But I don't want to exfoliate my face right now. Use a little spoon. Ew. And just mix it together. I'm in my bathroom now. Let's put on this mask while the soup is whatever. I'm just grabbing it with my fingers and laying it on my face. Honestly, it kind of just smells like honey. Egg yolk everywhere. Ew. Ew. What is that? Ew, 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 ew. Ugh, that was disgusting. My face is pretty coated, so I'm going to let this sit. While my face sits like this, we are moving on to the next step.
All right, Toni.
Yes.
Start mixing the egg whites. Like that.
Can you stop talking about us and it's annoying me?
Okay. Go back to normal, sorry. What we're gonna do is we're going to ladle some of the hot broth into the egg whites while whisking it. I'm not sure why, but that's what Yaya does. So that's what we're gonna do.
Get ready with a little fast. There's rice in. Okay. Good, we're gonna add some more.
So we'll dump it right in. Okay, so we'll cover this back up and then we'll move to getting the lemon squeeze. Fresh lemons. They have to be fresh.
What I'm going to be doing here is squeezing the lemons. This is like a lemon juicer. It's a lot easier. I have 2 whole lemons, then a half a lemon. Grind it along the top and the juice comes out from there. And then I roll these beforehand just to get the juices flowing a little. Good enough. This is where my big hands are convenient because it really gets the juices out of these. Now we use a little sifter and we pour the lemon juice in there to make sure that no seeds get in.
I'll just mush in all the other.
What just went in?
A seed. Interesting.
But you're taste testing now. Oh, it's lemony. Oh my God. It's so hot. Oh, it's yummy. It was hot.
Finally, we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste.
What is he scrunching on?
His house.
Hi. You're a good boy. Oh. Didn't take too long.
No.
Did it, Chicho? He just winked at the camera.
Okay. And now we can serve.
Awesome. All right, I'm gonna wash my face off and then we're gonna like serve this or whatever. I washed my face off and Lex and I are at the table right now and we served ourselves. It's yummy.
It's lemony, but it tastes good.
Well, there you have it, everyone. Lemon soup.
Tasty agua lemon.
You can make this if you're Greek. You can make this if you're not Greek. You can make this if you want soup. It's good if you have a cold, so there's lemon, so it kind of clears out your sinuses. That's all. All right, everyone, that is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed our impersonation of a cooking show. And maybe you learned something, probably not. Maybe you can try this recipe. If you do, comment down below and let me know that you did. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post again, and tune in for the next Toni Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.